आंतरराष्ट्रीय चित्रपट महोत्सवा वांगडा गोयची उदरगत जाल्या। पहिल्याच फावट इफ्फी परेडेच्या माध्यमांतल्यान गोयची संस्कृती आमकां आंतरराष्ट्रीय पावंड्यार पळोवपाची संद मेळ्ळी। आमी गोंयाक सिनेमा निर्मितीचे संवसारीक केंद्र करपा खातीर तयार आशिल्ल्याचे मुखेलमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंतान सांगले। इफ्फीच्या उक्तावण सुवाळ्यात ते उलयताले। मुखेलमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंत, केंद्रीय म्हायती आनी प्रसिद्धी मंत्री अश्विनी वैष्णव आनी राज्यमंत्री डॉक्टर एल मुर्गन हांच्या उपस्थितीत इफ्फीचे उक्तावण जाले। 29 नोव्हेंबराक इफ्फीची समाप्ती जातली।
I am proud to mention that this year 2 Goan films, Hidden Claudia and The Pilot, have been selected for the gala premiere section of the prestigious IFFI 2025. We are proud of our Goan filmmakers whose stories, ideas and voices are reaching the global audience through IFFI. The 5 films have been selected by the distinguished jury chaired by the Sri P. Sheshadri in the Goa section. In Goa's director cut, The Zero Bulb, Halad and My Dad Invented Vada Pav. In Goa's producer cut, The Merarki by the Sea and The Ghar. And we congratulate all the Goan cast, crew, directors and producers. Your success is Goa's pride. Goa is today India's most preferred shooting destination. This is not only because of the Goa's being the scenic beauty, but it is the result of like the film finance scheme up to the 50 lakhs for the A category films, the revised film shooting rules for faster permission, it is a single window clearance is under process, the support for the foreign production through national incentive schemes, the promotion at the film bazaar and international platforms. We are committed to making Goa the global film production hub.